What's up, everybody? Dante here. Now, this is an unboxing of my Mix Pre 3. Now, this ain't nothing new. It's just something that helped me with my YouTube production. Now, I have the Zoom H6, and I've been using it as like my everyday thing, which is cool and fine, but I kind of wanted something as a backup plan. And mostly use it for uh, YouTube videos like this, talking points, all kinds of situations where I can kind of do it within the YouTube realm of what I'm doing. Now, the Zoom H6 can be my portable podcast setup, a personal voiceover booth if I want to build something like, you know what I mean? Just something like another option to have out there. Because I know it's other different type of field recorders. We got the Zoom H6, the Zoom H4n, you got the Mix Pre 3, the 6, the 10. Like, I think the 6 and the 3 are more like the portable ones you could take on the road. Now, I'm not saying you can't take the 10 with you, but it's just kind of huge. But they also had the Zoom F8, I believe, is a little compact one, which is cool. But they both was around the same price, and I just went with this one because I like how this one looks more. They also had this high-end one, the Zoom 8 F8N, I believe it is. It's like $1,000. I wasn't paying that for a field recorder, but what this allowed me to do would be able to do these type of videos and not have to be limited to something with the Zoom or something happening or breaking, misplaced, any of those type of situations. So I kind of got this as a backup plan. So without further ado, let me go and get to this unboxing of the Mix Pre 3 Mark II. Now, in this, it has a USB interface, of course, a mixer, audio recorder, 3 preamps, 5 tracks, 32-bit float. Now, 32-bit float is something interesting. I've been watching some videos on it. And they say when it comes to 32-bit float, it gives you a lot more flexibility when it comes to post editing. But it also limits the time where you can clip the audio. Like if you're making a lot of noise and it's kind of like ramping up the amps and all that, it won't clip out the audio from what they say. But hey, if it does that, that's great. But what else does this have? It uses SD card, which is great. I actually have a 32 gigabyte SD card. I could use this as a podcast too, if it's up there. It got 3 mic inputs, so if I want to have like a portable podcast set up and just take this to someplace, interview 2 other people, I kind of can. Gives me options, but like I said, it's a raw file and it allows me to do a lot of edit and post. So yeah, I mean the Zoom H6 does waveform too, raw files, but like I said, I just didn't want to depend on one device doing everything. Okay, do I just slide this out or what? Uh-oh, I don't see no tape. Oh, they about to make me. There we go. Okay. Didn't need this. Hold on. Let me just keep it to the side, just in case. All right. Okay. We have the sound device family, you could say. I see the USB Pre 2, the HX3, the 552. I've never seen these before. Okay, we have the Scorpio. I guess those are the real high-end ones. Yeah, we got the Mix Pre Mark II series. I have the 3, there's the 6 and the 10. Okay. All right. I'm gonna leave that like that for a second. Okay, we got the USB Type-C cable, which is great because you can use this as a plug-in where you can kind of plug it into a outlet and just have continuous power without having to use batteries, which is great because I heard when you use 4 AA batteries. It only lasts 2 hours. I think the 8 battery sled is about 4 hours. And then you can get the rechargeable one with a sled on it. You could use the Sony batteries or something like that. But hey, I mean, there's options out there. That's always a good thing. Oh wow, they give me all kinds of outlets. So this is the outlet plug, and these are all the options you got. Okay. USB cable, I'm gonna take this right on out because I ain't putting this back in the bag. All right. Ooh, there's a breaded cable too. And this is the power adapter outlet. USB Type-C. Wow, that's lovely. I like this. And that's that. Let me get to this. It's very... Is this tape or plastic? Alright. Alright, wow. It's a lot smaller than I thought. This is the Mix Pre 3 Mark II. And, alright. Time to just tear out the plastic. Ooh. All right, wow. It's not bad. This is a lot smaller than I thought. I thought it seemed bigger on video, right? But yes, these are 3 dials right here. So you can monitor the audio when it comes to recording. You know, all right, well, yeah. Then you got your record button, your play button, stop button, and you can kind of have this on a tripod and set it up and like have it this way, so when you're talking to yourself at the talking points, you can kind of see the levels and all that. I probably won't do that. I'll probably keep it to the side like this so I can monitor right there, and I guess leave it on the table. I ain't got to worry about making sure things are, I don't know, that's just me. I'm gonna have it close by and just monitor it like in the corner somewhere. You also have a headphone jack, a little dial here. Don't know what this is yet. Oh, you can push it in. Hear that? Yeah. Like I said, you got 3 mic USR inputs. That's it. USR XLR. Sorry. Okay. Why can't I get this off? Or is it this way? Oh, there you go. I had this little L wrench here. Not sure what that's for, but it's for something, I guess. Oh, probably for screwing it into a tripod, I'm guessing. We got an on and off switch, I believe. We got a USB and a stereo out jack. And I also had the USB A port, I guess they call it. You can use it as an external memory drive. Like you can have like a mini USB type drive on there. Not mini, but a USB drive, and it's like a storage. So if your card runs out, you can store it to that too. So I seen that. I thought that was pretty cool. And this screen right here is touch screen. I might as well mess it up. I see fingerprints already on it, so I might as well mess it up. But yeah, this is the Mix Pre 3 Mark II. I'm pretty much going to be using this, like I said, for my YouTube thing. My Zoom H6 will be having a hard time talking for some reason. That will be my personal, somebody I want to interview or be on my podcast episode or something like that, and I'll take that, record the podcast, edit it, and all that stuff from there, and just have that as a portable podcast setup. Or like if I want to create a room for doing voiceovers, have a booth and stuff like that, and use that to record. Same thing. It's like it gives me options. Like I said, I just wanted to use this just for talking points, unboxing videos, all kinds of talking videos, anything like a tutorial, anything I'm doing, I just use this, sync it up, and post. Had no problems. Like I said, the Zoom H6, it's a good recorder. I love it. I always just wanted a second option because I just didn't want something to happen to that and it breaks, and I'm out of luck. And that has 4 XLR mic inputs. This guy's 3. I'm losing one, but like I said, this is just for this, and that's going to be podcasting. But anybody out there who actually has one of these, any other tricks out there you might want to, all right, any other tricks out there you might know about this or how to use it, or little hacks that you can do to make it work easier for you, let me know in the comment section. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoy. Hit that like and subscribe button. Stay tuned for more, and I want to thank you guys once again. Peace.